Hello, Unity. Inri here. I'd like to share today's daily word with you. And today's word is oneness. And our affirmation goes, I am one with God. I once believed there is a spark of the divine within me, as though my divinity were only a small part of me. As I have grown spiritually, I have come to understand that I am fully divine, just as I am fully human. I have grown into this awareness, realizing that everything God is, I am too. God is love, and I am that love in expression. God is perfect peace, and I am that peace expressing at the point of me. God is wisdom, and I express divine wisdom as only I can. I know true oneness when I no longer think of these divine qualities as something to ask for or even acquire. Instead, I see them as mine to master and use. When I do this, I am able to take complete responsibility for my life. Only then will I know the fullness of my freedom and the depths of my potential. And today's scripture goes, "The Father and I are one." John 10:30.